good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Rejoice in Demanda and I hope you'll like it here. So I just got a few things for tonight's dinner. I just quickly wanna cook while the sun is still setting. I didn't want to cook when it's like super late because I really want to unwind. It's been a super hectic week. I've been working like crazy, but nonetheless I just want to like unwind, have a simple meal. I was thinking of cooking chicken and pasta. These chicken breasts are huge. They're actually chicken fillets. They're huge. So I'm probably gonna cook these, and then yeah, I also wanted to do a little bit of cleaning, especially mopping on the floor. And then yeah, but I'll basically clean after I finish cooking and just basically chilling. So let us cook together. You guys, so I'm currently watching Love Island. Tell me why there's so much drama. Like from episode 4, there's just so much drama. What happened between Nicole and Sam? And then Benaya is now in the picture. I don't know, I feel like as a man, I'd feel very slighted to know that someone warned you and you still didn't listen. But nonetheless, let's start cooking. I think I'm gonna carry my Ted Baker because it's just gonna be quick errands. One thing I love about this bag, it's very cute and I love the color. I can't really figure out if this is a purple or a pink. Do you know what I mean? Like I can't figure it out, but I'm just not gonna have much in my bag. I'm just gonna have lip gloss and maybe a pen and just hand lotion in case my hands get dry. I think that's it. Scent of the day is this Oud Rose Seduction Secret. I don't know, I was kind of feeling oud today for some odd reason. I'm always wearing my light scents, but this is giving strong, bold, you know what I mean? I've been watching so many UK shows, like my accent is slowly changing, but do you know what I mean? Anyway, let's go. got these containers, these canisters that I said I would get. So I managed to get like 2 medium ones because I realized if I get the small ones, genuinely speaking, I feel like the small ones are just not really going to suffice. So I got these 2 medium ones, so I'll just put some of the things inside here. And then I got this bottle, the soap dispenser thingy for my dishwashing liquid soap, but now I don't know, it doesn't seem like it's working, and I genuinely don't know what is going on. So I think this thing is broken, or they gave me a reject, or I need to research on how to, like, I don't know, make it work maybe. Anyway, and then I got these total clean heads for my electric toothbrush because ever since I got my electric toothbrush I haven't changed the head, you guys. So I wanted to get a new one, and lucky enough Clicks was running a special 30% off on these total clean heads. So they're literally $200, but I had to get them for like, was it 140 because it was 30% off. So this was really a bargain, so love this. And then the rest of the other things basically is just groceries, few food, a few things in the house. So yeah, that is just about it. I need to start cooking, make dinner, and just, yeah, wind down the night. Guys, I am so happy because I've been needing a new toothbrush head for a very long time. Like ever since I got this electric toothbrush, like I have never ever, and when you buy the pack it comes with 2, so I gave the other one to my boyfriend because his is getting old and I'd recently purchased mine, so I just gave it to him. But ever since I purchased mine, and this is so embarrassing because you're supposed to change your toothbrush every 3 months, is it every 2 or 3 months? But this has been on for a year. Please, no judgment whatsoever, it was for a good cause. But I am so happy to finally throw this away because I am tired. I don't feel like it does the job anymore properly. So I am so excited to brush my teeth. Unfortunately, I don't even have water. I was literally going to go brush my teeth right now. But nonetheless, this is so exciting. It's green, and I love the fact that I have so many colors to choose from. This is a navy blue. I think there's like another navy blue and there's a pink, but I don't really mind whatever color I have, but this is very cute. I am happy. And this is literally only like 140 because I was at 30% off, but the initial price is 200 bucks. It's really compatible. It's compatible with most Oral-B electric toothbrushes, so I am happy. What's good, you guys? I hope you guys are doing good. So it's another day into the vlog, and it's literally like close to 5 p.m. right now. We haven't had water in this building, or rather area, since Monday, and I'm genuinely so annoyed because I haven't been able to cook very well because the water that I've had to either use it in the bathroom or toilet just so I can save water and not like pile up the dishes and stuff, so that now everything is cluttered and everything is everywhere. So I've been trying my best to be minimal as possible. I've been ordering takeout like for this past 2 days, you know, and I'm just over it at this point, and I was so hungry, so I literally just ordered like KFC right now because I am starving. And I woke up, went to the gym, tried to be productive, but the minute I came back after like bathing with the bucket, I don't know, something just, you know, was like meh, you know, and I couldn't do anything. I didn't edit, I didn't continue filming. I wanted to film a hair video, I did none of that. I guess it's just one of those days, and I don't really want to force it, because when your body or your mind is like, girl, we need to rest, you have to listen to it, because I don't want to have a burnout. I really have so much to do this month, and when my body is like, okay, just this one time can we rest, I sometimes need to listen to it. So let me eat this food and watch something good. Yeah. You know, when I was like planning on buying food, my boyfriend was really against me buying takeout because he's like, so unhealthy. You just went to the gym today and so fun with the KFC. But I was like, at least it's meat, you know? Like for the gains, I know it's unhealthy, but like, I don't got a choice. I don't have water. I don't mind cooking, but I didn't have a choice, you guys, because already I've got like a pile of dishes there, and yo, good name.